minute, we'll go full choke. It's cold. About half throttle, and we'll start pulling on the flywheel here. Go down to half choke now that we're getting fuel.